Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need level 40 and the completed Pilgrim's Way quest to start. Gather 1 Azure Greatsword base from dungeons or trading before proceeding. Have 3 Azure shards and 10 Pilgrim tokens ready in your inventory. Bring 5,000 gold and a repair kit before visiting the Pilgrim Forge. Ensure you have 3 empty slots for rewards and 1 free repair slot. Travel to the Pilgrim Enclave at the Eastern Cathedral coordinates shown on your map. Speak with the Pilgrim Blacksmith to unlock the ritual menu and begin the process. Deposit the Azure Greatsword base and 3 Azure shards into the ritual slot. Offer 10 Pilgrim tokens and pay 5,000 gold to start the ceremony. Wait 90 seconds while the forge animates and do not move away from the ritual. Channel for the full duration to ensure success and avoid a partial outcome. If interrupted, the items are returned and you lose 50% of consumed tokens. Watch the progress bar and confirm the final prompt to claim the Pilgrammed Azure Greatsword after completion. The Pilgrammed Azure Greatsword gains a permanent plus 25% critical strike and a unique Pilgrim passive. Equip the sword and test the passive on training dummies in the Enclave. Upgrade using 5 blessing runes and 2,000 gold per level after pilgriming to increase damage. Remember to repair durability and socket 1 rune immediately for activation of set bonuses. Trade restrictions apply. The weapon becomes bound on pickup and cannot be sold. Keep extra Azure shards for reforges and a backup Pilgrim token stash for future rituals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.